In this video, I will show you how to set up a Twitter bot using the Twitter4j library. Before we begin, you will need two things. Firstly, you will need an active Twitter account which is verified by email and phone number. Secondly, you will need a Twitter developer's account to access the Twitter API. You can sign up for an account at developer.twitter.com. Once you have the prerequisites done, you're gonna sign into your Twitter account and go again to developer.twitter.com. On this page, you're gonna go to Apps and click on Create an App. Next, you're going to give your app a name and description. You're going to enter the website URL for your app, as well as you have to write something about how you plan on using this application, which is a requirement. It has to be 100 words minimum. Once you've done that, click Create again, and you've created your application. After creating the app, you're going to go to the Permissions tab and select the Read, Write, and Access Direct Messages option. Update the settings after selecting that. The second step is to download the Twitter4j library, which can be found at twitter4j.org. You're going to scroll down to Downloads and download the zip file. Step number 3 is to create a new project in an IDE of your choosing. I'm using NetBeans, so I'm going to go to File, New Project, give our project a name. After creating a new project, you're going to click on your project and go to Properties, and you're going to go to Libraries and click on Add jar/folder. Over here, you're going to find where you downloaded the zip file and the folder you got from it, from the Twitter4j website. Then you're going to go into the library folder and add the Twitter4j-core jar file. After that, we're going to create our main class in the project. The next step is to link our Twitter app with our Java program. We're going to go back to Twitter4j website and go to Configuration. Here we're going to copy this code and paste it in our main class. Click on the arrows to import the associated files. After that, we're going to go to our Twitter application page where we changed our permission settings a while ago. We're going to click to Keys and Access Tokens, and we're going to paste these keys in our code. The consumer key goes on the first line. The consumer secret goes right here. And the access tokens goes right here. We have now successfully configured our Twitter application. So to test this, we will use this Twitter variable we just created and call the update status method, which takes in a string. and test if our program works. So I'm going to go to my Twitter page, refresh. There's no tweets as of yet, and we're going to run our program and see if it tweets. There you go. So once we've set up our Twitter applications, you probably want to go back to Twitter Forge's website, go to code examples, and look at some examples of what you can do with the Twitter API. We'll try this example, which returns the timeline of our account. We're again going to import the necessary files, and let's see if it runs. So one of the limitations that Twitter API has is that you can't post the same status twice. Right here it gives us an error called status is a duplicate. So each status has to be unique. And our last status, which we posted a while ago, is the same status still here. So this time I'm going to see if I can spell hello correctly. So this time our status should be unique and it should run. So it runs, and let's see if it posts a new tweet. I'm going to refresh. So you can see 10 seconds ago it just posted a new tweet, and in our IDE we can see that it shows the two tweets in our timeline. So to get some more information about what you can do with the API, you want to go back to Twitter Forge's website and go to Java Doc. Here you can see all the classes that are available to you. You can click on a class and see all the associated methods and their signatures. And hopefully that will help you in creating whatever application you want.